Hello and welcome to the basic instructional video for how to practice Surya Namaskarasan or Sun Salutations. This practice is so healing. It is just so joyful, so blissful, so healing in so many ways. Just to give you a few examples of what I'm talking about, it improves and strengthens your third chakra, Manipura chakra, which is essential for good digestion, good stability in so many ways in all the layers of your system. This practice also increases willpower, determination. It also boosts your whole immune system. Those are just a few of the benefits. During this practice, you breathe, you move, you sweat, and it's just beautiful. Devotional practice to the sun that gives us warmth and life and light. So in this video, you can just watch me just sitting comfortably in your beautiful upright posture. And in the next video, we'll practice many rounds together. So for now, I'm just quickly demonstrating. You come to the front of your yoga mat. For men, you can place your feet together. For women, please have your feet parallel to each other and below your hip bones. Beginning stance is hands in Yoga Namaskar. Make sure your heart is lifting, heart is open. Press feet down, tighten your thighs. Neutral pelvis, not back-bending pelvis and not tucked under, slouching pelvis. Just neutral pelvis, low belly pulled in, and beautiful smile on your face. And this is the beginning. Exhaling all the air out, you press feet down, tighten thighs. As you inhale, you can just reach up and look up in this way, or you can add a little bit of a back bend if your body allows you. Always respect the limitations of your body, always. Every body is different. Just do what your body allows you to do on any particular day. So a quick review. Exhaling, press feet down, tighten thighs. Inhale, look up, reach up, or you can go back into the back bend. As you exhale, you lower down to the floor. You can bend your knees if you need to, maybe just fingertips touch and drop your head, or you can have straight legs, tighten your thighs, palms on the earth, folding. Either way is fine. As you inhale, right foot comes back, right knee on the ground, and looking up. Holding the breath, gently move left foot back, so you're in a plank pose with neutral pelvis, strong body. Next, as you exhale, you drop down, knees, chest, and chin. As you inhale, belly on the ground, keep your hands where they are, and swooping up into cobra. You can just look forward, or you can look up. As you exhale, tuck your toes under, bend your knees, raise your hips. This is called mountain pose. You can just come to mountain, or if you have flexibility in your shoulders, you come to downward facing dog. Next breath, inhaling, right foot between your hands, left knee on the ground, or if that's too much, you can simply, from here, you can simply walk the feet up. Either way is perfectly fine. Next breath, exhaling, you just return to this forward fold position, bent knees, drop your head, touch fingertips, or straight legs, hands, palms, folding. Next breath, inhaling, you can come up with straight legs in this way, or you can come up with the knees bent. If they're already bent, they can just stay bent, and you raising up in this way. Keep inhaling, look up, reach up, or back bend. And then last breath, exhale, Samastitahi, returning to start. Yoga Namaskar hands and beautiful smile. Smiling the whole time. That's most important. So let's talk about breathing during the Surya Namaskarasan. If you are Pitta dosha, please do not breathe in the Ujjayi breath. It will just set you on fire. Just do normal, natural breathing, gently with no sound of your breath. If you are predominantly Vata or Kapha, you can do Ujjayi breathing during Surya Namaskar Asana as long as you're not taxing your nervous system. So in the next class, we'll do many rounds together. You just follow along the best you can. The more you do the class, the more accessible it will be for your body and for your mind, and you'll remember, create some muscle memory in your system. So in the meantime, keep smiling and keep taking excellent good care of yourself, and I'll see you again soon in the next class.